In this lecture series, I'm going to give lectures on photochemistry and spectroscopy, which is intended for senior level of undergraduate students and someone new to photochemistry or spectroscopy. And this lecture series basically covers a whole range of from the fundamental aspects of the photochemistry and also going into the several different applications using the photochemical processes such as solar cells or photocatalyst. So at first, the interaction between light and molecules are considered. The light initially interact with the electron cloud of molecules, and various photochemical reaction processes are explained based on this interaction. After molecules absorb light, they are excited into excited states. After that, many different photochemical processes happen. And thinking about the time region, each species or state are involved, and we are going to study each processes. And then also study the reaction kinetics. In the latter part of the lecture series, we will cover various examples of photochemical reactions, such as of organic species, metal complex, and also study the mechanism of photo devices such as solar cells and photocatalyst. So starting from the introduction in the lecture 0, after that, starting from the energy of the light or color and study the electronic states of molecules and also excited states and several different transition. And we need to understand light absorption, of course. After that, I'm going to introduce group theory, which is useful for understanding the optical absorption, and then move on to the kinetics of photoinduced processes and some photochemical reactions, and then study how to analyze the photochemical reactions. Basically, the most important Storm-Böhmer analysis. And also, I'm going to introduce some of the optical equipment and measurement, and then move on to the several examples of the organic photochemical reactions, and also metal complex. And in this metal complex, the orbitals are important to make a color of the molecules. And then finally, I'm going to introduce the mechanism of solar cells and the photocatalyst.